How to recover deleted TikTok messages. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can recover deleted TikTok messages. First thing you want to do is launch open TikTok. Now, if you have deleted your TikTok messages, then to recover it, head over to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on the Account option. Here, find the option of Download Your Data, tap on that. Now, on Select Data to Download option, you can select All Data or Custom. For Custom, make sure to select Messages and tap on Done. Now, tap on the Select File Format. Make sure it is in text file format. Now tap on Done, then tap on Request Data. As you can see, your data request is being processed, which can take up to 4 days. Once you download your data, you will be able to find your deleted TikTok messages over there. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.